Big up Crosses TV.
So Crossy TV, you need to run with that now, man. You need to run with this now.
By the way, you call me blood clot and you eat your blood clot. Hope me not own a blood clot rent hope. Me living on my blood clot project apartment and me up in a blood clot. Hope me coming like the president and in blood clot wife plastic my blood clot pen. Hope me a one woman will live from check to blood clot check because it's what happen. I'm a citizen of a blood clot America and I saw America blood clot run. Nasty fucky dirty hope. Big old thinking old ugly blood clot with the bag under your blood clot. I am say you're rich hope. Yeah. With the two blood clot bag under your blood clot. I am say your blood clot rich. Hope you grudge me for the name Gangsta. Your ball out say you're gonna name Gangsta blood clot hope. A whole heap of Gangsta blood clot the hope. Hope you never hear Queen Gangsta. You never hear Gaza Gangsta. You never hear say Pussa Gangsta. Angela Striker Gangsta. The whole of we are blood clot Gangsta. Hope we don't know you from nowhere. Remember say Lord Jesus Christ is something nearly tear out of my good blood clot face through dirty hope. Dirty hope I can give you something. Hope me never shot a cologne. Let's see what I have to give hope tonight. Make us see what I have for blood clot. You know what happened? And I get nothing because she says she blood clot rich. Hope you need God. Hope you need God. Hope you need God. Move your blood clot, ugly woman. Woman, you're ugly, no blood clot. No care where you put on it, no fit your hope. Hope no care. Hope you say donkey look good yet. Bigfoot blood clot, giant breadfoot blood clot. Hope you ever say donkey look good. Hope you can't sleep at night, you're lonely, no blood clot. Hope you can't sleep at night. Hope you say you have 3 blood clots too. So far you stop teeth and get hope. Everything your blood clot teeth and get, you go and say you got blood clot prison because she tell me. You understand? Hope where you want from me. Hope you say me live check to blood clot check. Where you want from me? Dirty stinking hope where you want from me. Hope me. Not have no money. Me live from check to check. But me wanna fuck where you fuck up. Oh, the big stable giant size blood clot Yankee boy with big and tall no blood clot. And him a 15-year-old fucking 8 year. Hope you're tired the woman look a big and strong Yankee for your big blood clot donkey looking. Wall blood clot self. Rhinoceros blood clot body tough woman with the gully pussy where you want from me. Dirty woman you talk say. Me go pantoff like me say I go pantoff like this are spoilers. Born 47 Rosemary Lane, I'm a grow a Wildman Street. Tough born on a cement lane, me know a mother, me know a father. Where you want me for them do? Take side and cut stuff for you. Me they tell you all I own upon IG, so me nah blood clot toughy. Cut stuff in. Toughy did come and blood clot shut off her mouth and violate me. I'm a seminar gear, me blood clot thing, I guess what you know. If you're original spoilers, you're born and you're built in a gangster life, gangster life. Nobody not supposed to come tell us for sure madman and say, I done blood clot, brother. Stinking woman. Ashanti360 blood clot. Ashanti360 pussy clot. Ashanti, let me tell you something about hope. Hope not have nothing. Hope was fret over the girl when name Kim. Me no know them, so me not blood clot bust nobody. Me I tell you, hey, I can't sleep at night for blood clot. The woman come right out this out of the dirty project where Dan living on. Member said Dan living on the project and this woman says she's from uptown. She own house, she own store, and she a big drugs lad. Guess when me give her some food in her. I gonna show no old plate, I soon come. I gonna go for old plate. And when I show no old plate, I want you to believe me. Hope says she rich. Hope says she blood clot rich. Yeah? No from when me I watch you hope. No from when me I watch you. Hope says she rich. And this is when me feed open her. This is hope blood clot plate. Me give her some soupies and rice and it she start eat the blood clot soupies and rice. Rich girl hope. She say what else you have in there? Me say me cook soupies and rice to my daughter upstairs, yeah? And me a cook curry goat for me and my daughter and my husband, cause that's a tree. Yeah, and the Lord Jesus Christ more one more for care home. Me head back in the blood clot house, hope me never rate you. Cause you chat people and you bring down people who did it with you, hope me a real blood clot through gangster. When me go back in the house, hope me couldn't find nothing else. For sure you did that in her. I have one of them, I hope, yeah? When I put my blood clot, plate clot, them for bleach out in her, I'm just check out the plate clot out of it, I'm share you the curry goat and rice in this. Hope you lick it off there, yeah? You lick it out, blood clot, hope where you rich there. Hope where you rich there. Hope where your blood clot rich there, eh? Dirty stinking woman where rich they will fear back them when you show up. Oh, me I got challenge your blood clot. No. Me I got challenge your blood clot. No. You can't challenge blood clot because everybody knows me not rich. Them afraid for challenge but me I got give you a blood clot challenge. Hope you have 100 bag. Just come out and show it 20 blood clot receipt. And when you show the receipt, them for the bag, them hope. Stick them on the bag so and place it down and take the picture make we see a blood clot it. Oh, me buy some bag, oh blood clot long open. If you ask me for the blood clot receipt, me can show you. Oh, people not dash your receipt in a blood clot America. Chinatown, oh, people not dash your blood clot receipt in America. Dirty thinking, oh, the reason why you give me the, me not even know with the glass there. Cause me that put it on my face now, cause me like it, and me a class, you make me see it. Me a class, cause everybody want to see it. Let me look at my seat in that dryer. Let me see my seat, how will me do it? Me I put it on my blood clot face, and class your blood clot. Anytime I come out from class, I eat me I put on. Let me go look for it. 1 minute then I drew, hold on. See blood clot, yeah. Yeah. See blood clot, yeah. Dirty hope, yeah. See that fit me better than you hope. It blood clot fit me better than blood clot you hope. Hope watch cheap girl in a blood clot eyeglasses Versace and look good hope put on your blood clot glasses now hope. Hope go put on the one them where your blood clot by you give me that one yeah I know. And look for me now it hope take my picture. Hope take my blood clot picture come and look better and I eat more than blood clot you. See it hope. Me nah blood clot dash it to a seat ya. Your boyfriend no blood clot hope. Watch hope me nah find no makeup. Me nah have no me just I'm a bed me that go. Hope me just put on the blood clot glasses where you give me. I hope look for my blood clot pretty, eh? Hope move your blood clot and deal with the things them. Cause you don't look good in a blood clot them hope. Hope go fix your blood clot teeth. Your face one nail tax. Your face one chop up. Hope chop up your face and dash it away. Hope you tell me so the glasses don't fit you. Hope look for me. Boy, I'm so pretty. I'm pretty. Hope you're ugly in a blood clot. Hope you love run, come give people your things and turn out, take it down, cost them. Hope me not hope. Hope if you ever see me have on the blood clot glasses, they come in front of me say, I spit by your blood clot and turn around, lock you up and make you have to buy back the nice glasses. Move your ugly blood clot. Oh, give you more glasses. Move your blood clot. Can't send back them go get toffee. Move your pussy clot. All toffee look better than blood clot, you dirty hope. Move your blood clot. Send to the glasses them go give blood clot Foley. Cause when Foley dress up Foley favor woman more than you. Move your man face donkey looking gully old blood clot and go dirty up. Dirty up go put on the glasses and come sit inside of me. Me not even makeup dirty up. I look how it fit blood clot better up my nice na blood clots. Big woman Ashanti, why you fooling up? I wear the 2 pieces of paper there. I wear the 2 pieces of blood clot paper there. Yep. Yeah. Hope you want Botox. Hope Anna you want Botox. Hope a too long bag under blood clot I like tea bag. Hope you ugly na blood clots. Hope you grudge me from a nice hole. Hope you ugly na blood clot. Your favorite donkey monkey blood clot. Dirty hole. Hope the way you rich you should have 10 young boy a pine off for you. No back, no dog, no back up your blood clot tree. You could have followed me look more away bath suit your pussy. Done. Move your 66 blood clot. Earhole, old blood clot bag and a eye. No teeth and gumbaless blood clot and way. Dirty hope you can't style me. Hope me say you beg my friendship, you know. Hope me the America 21 years. I may never see you yet in a blood clot America hope. Hope are you carry Angela Striker bag? Are you carry Angela Striker shoes bag? Remember say that me meet you a do. Member say me never know you. Dirty hope member say you come out and say, yep, hope you see this. And me make it an Ashanti make this so me have post you. So when me done with your hope, me I got done with your come say me stop this blood clot thing. Right now I put money in my pocket. Dirty stinking nasty suck pussy hope. You suck dog pussy in a blood clot. You have the little dog a fuck out your hole and a suck out your hole. Hope your pussy tongue bite up, cause the little dog trap and it blood clot. When you watch the little dog a swing on your blood clot and your pussy tongue like swing song. Dirty stinking hope, where you tell yourself, say, hope, and a one gangster there. A whole heap of we a blood clot gangster in the blood clot street, hope. Hope you never hear some man fuck me and call me gangster, no. My power the blood clot man, them like the blood clot freaks. Move your blood clot up. You're tall na blood clot. You're tall like the tree in a park named Sesame Street. Move your pussy clot with your whole heap of things and when you have no blood clot receipt for. Move on blood clot. You're frightened of Toffee. Toffee wants to see in a real life. Yeah, hey, Ashanti you talk about you look back open at the last such a look like. You want to see her in a real blood clot life. Tell her to come meet you and suck your hood, Ashanti. Tell her to meet you and turn her back way. She tall like a fridge. You now can't reach in her pussy Ashanti. You have to go sit down on a table and fuck Hope. Because Hope tall na blood clot. Hope tall like the tall blood clot. Look boy was 17-year-old. Sometimes I'm 15, sometimes I say. I want to hold with that dirty Hope with the ticky gully fish hole. Dirty stinking Hope. I could have called things and talk things when I do them things there. Because people are going to say, then, dance, she a blood clot gangster and down about them things there. Move your blood clot and go murder up. Suck your mama and go. You talk about my mother blood clot dead Hope. Move your blood clot. You talk about your mother. Make everybody see your mother. Hope your mother there may be a suffer a blood clot. Go dirty Hope. You understand? Move your blood clot and you come go on like the tree stand a blood clot loan. No brother, no sister, no talk to you a blood clot Hope. Fuck out. How it go? Dirty. Fuck out, Hope. How it go? Hope, me tell you something. Me tell you something I do live, you know. This how I'm not like blood clot. You know why I'm not like do it Hope? When I start, I just can't blood clot stop. All your blood clot Hope. All your blood clot Hope. You talk about chin and string look better than blood clot you Hope. Move your blood clot chin mad you with acrylic. You say you're rich and you sit down for acrylic. Mr. Chin come out and nasty up your blood clot with good teeth. Dirty Hope. Hope come off for IG, you can't get a spot. Hope you're there way down at the back line when you fix your teeth, you can't take time dry your blood clot up. Move your blood clot and go. A diary bring you out and I go and put you in blood clot back. Boy, you go over diary and you do blood clot interview. Move your blood clot and go. Tell them how comes you can call me every day. Talk to me up. Me look. Talk to me up. Put on the blood clot glasses where you buy you said. You know like how it look on your blood clot face and you say come give me. Me love how it look on blood clot me can't fit me. Watch there. Hope look how dear things like me. Hope look how good things like blood clot me. Yeah, dirty hope. Send somebody back then go get tough because tough look better than blood clot you. Nasty suck pussy suck dog body up. Fuck pussy suck pussy up. Dirty stinking up. Up with the one wally ticky old man them are fucking at your old so you got in a church in Florida. Hope you can't show outside of where your blood clot live because you live in our retirement blood clot home up. You make sure put yourself in a it up because when your blood clot they didn't have nothing to get from the US government. Hope me didn't know say you bad man before you tell me say people who have citizenship don't mean nothing. And you know want a citizenship. Move your blood clot, you suck pussy like dog when you're there jail. Dirty up to the eyeglasses, you can't get it blood clot back. Hope it fit no more than how it blood clot fit you. That's why your blood clot guinea. Suck pussy, gully pussy, woman, how it go. Eh? Tell them how you tell the boy the rich party and came out for go and the money is there. Tell them how you send man for go rob blood clot Brandon. Tell them hope, yeah. Tell them how you sit down at the cheap hotel at East blood clot New York and wait for the money to come back. And the boy them trick your blood clot, them rob Brandon and trick you. When you come to him, I'm turn to you, I'm say to you, say, maybe Brandon and Kim never have the money right there. So yes, them have it because them did a blood clot. Leg off a blood clot, Kim, you make the little girl a mad, yo. Let her go make she fuck if she want fuck. Hope you worry about pussy. How much pussy you alone want have. And nobody don't tell you say for stretch out your pussy from you did young. And then nobody tell your mother say for drink gross. And make you tall and gross. So that's nobody no want fuck you. Hope you can try Ashanti. You can get Ashanti a try for your long gully pussy. Make him see if it good. Dirty hope my pussy you want come fret over. Oh, my own gear underneath your for suck up. Me no want you use your big tall tongue and mash up my underneath. Come underneath. Up with the blood clot you call cartel name for. Cartel never call your name. Up so everything me do you want do now. Up you can't do me do. Up we for chop you in a two so chung and chop you in a blood clot too. And then we have to go fix you and pad you and shad you and mungle up your blood clot so you look like me. Woman, nice na blood clot up. And when I put on the blood clot eyeglasses, we fit them nice and a blood clot up. Up. Now I'll show you what kind of eyeglasses I wear. You would look broke off eyeglasses. Me I go for my eyeglasses when me wear. I'll show you when me wear. I mean not rich. I go to my bag. Everything hopes with go to my fact. Hope system is rich. I'm spend my money on my blood clot. Sis. Then me could have rich like blood clot hope now. Yeah. Me could have rich like blood clot hope and hope where you see right here so. Hope look on this blood clot. I'm a test glass this. Hope you have on one blood clot dollar store eyeglasses and ear every minute. Hold on, them let me read. Let me swear me a door. Let me swear me a door. Move your blood clot and go. Move your blood clot. Brokey, you broke now blood clot. Oh, move your blood clot. A whole heap of fixtures one done to your blood clot. You come in like an old Aston blood clot Cambridge. I fix it up to make it look like a blood clot Benz. Hope you can't fix. Hope you can't fix a blood clot. Me I tell you so you can't fix. Because them have got chop off your heel back and cut the side of your blood clot foot and peer off the next blood clot side and cut each of your blood clot too, because when God will make you and put your finger them on your blood clot too and upon Jesus Christ. Hear the Father forgive me. I put on finger upon hope foot instead of toe. Hear Jesus now. Hear Father now. To Jesus. Make it stay because we have to make her very tall for it to be matched. Nothing upon your blood clot body no match. Dirty hope. Nasty hope. Cocky drop out of your whole hope. Hope you can't even squeeze up your leg and squeeze a cocky and wine for save your blood clot self. Hope you can't wine your tall and your back tall no blood clot and watch your jiggle. Watch your favor when you walk with a walking blood clot stick and the stick drop out of your blood clot and you bend down for blood clot, take it up, dirty hope. Nasty suck pussy hope. Fucky hope. Hope when you come a blood clot, Brooklyn, you fuck about 9 old man before your blood clot go down back. Move your blood clot with your crocus bag, blood clot nature. Move your pussy clot. Hope everything me do fit. Now watch me don't see Gabbana glass on the talk truth. Eh? Me don't know where your blood clot a come from me for. Me not say nothing to this big stretch out, long time underneath. The whole of your teeth them drop out no blood clot, woman. Woman with the whole heap of bag and the blood clot shoes them and it kill nothing no fit her. Hope you say you have pay name brand shoes and you can't wear them more than 2 minutes and 3 minutes. Hope you can't even stand up in a dance for 1 hour in your blood clot shoes because you tore them cringe up so. Remember say God make a mistake when he make you and put your finger upon your blood clot too. And when God see it him say, Father, what have I done? And Father say, keep it going. Keep it going. This is a donkey. We're trying to put it into a human being. Dirty suck pussy open infamy you want on me now. Hope me could have ball out all of the blood clot things and when you tell me about Broman and blood clot suffer, me nah do that time. You're not pussy in a foreign. Hope you can't bring gun thing to blood clot me. Cause hope if you bring gun thing to blood clot me bust out your blood clot and show them in America say me do the blood clot crime and me can't go do the blood clot time. Pussy old idiot girl every time you talk about gun. You talk about gun. A gunman ever fuck you and own you yet, girl? Yeah, you ever fuck a mention man yet? Where everybody can say, yeah, I hope did I fuck the man there. Move your old man, saka, done gun, old blood clot. Boy, you sell Kia Coke. Move your blood clot, boy, you sell Kia blood clot Coke. You can't sell Kia Coke in your blood clot mouth stay, so. Move your blood clot in your mouth favor one rug. In your mouth favor one rug. You favor a skipping rope the way your blood clot tall. Go away. Miss Paulette, me not done because I know me never say nothing to her. Me never say nothing to her. More than me ear Tuffy attack something with sheet. What she say? Hope tell her I say calling. Say I say Tuffy and a liar blood clot.